Welcome to Escape Adventure with Robin and Steve.
Hi, I'm Robin.
And I'm Steve. Today we're going to Hopscotch, an interactive art gallery, sort of like a Team Labs or a Meow Wolf, but less immersive, but we'll see what they have.
So come along and escape with us to Hopscotch in San Antonio, Texas.
Come along and escape. So Hopscotch is located right across from Travis Park.
Travis Park was once a part of the original Alamo Mission in San Antonio. The park is located across the street from the restored St. Anthony Hotel. The venue also offers a full bar with specialty cocktails inspired by the exhibitions, rotating food trucks on the patio, and a gift shop featuring unique items from local artists. There's also public restrooms. The Hopscotch Gallery features 15 large-scale interactive installations created by over 40 local, national, and international artists. Visitors can engage with a variety of exhibits, including light and sound experiences, a cosmic trampoline, and more.
There's a hopscotch room, which makes sense, being the brand name is Hopscotch. Signature hopscotch court. Glowing ball pit over here.
No diving. It's got a ground. Socks are required. I read it.
Ball pit. Balls on the stairs. Yeah.
Wow,
Yeah, you want to grab a handle and walk slowly down the stairs.
Did you make it? Gotta make it? Cheese it.
Right? Yeah, that wasn't the thing.
Look out for any dark spots, might be children.
I'm watching. I'm just trying to find the bottom. I think I found it. Okay.
Keeps falling in.
I've never been in one. This is great. Oh, I'm stepping on balls. Oh my gosh. Sit up now. That's very cool. If you laid back, would you fall to the ground?
No.
No?
No, there's too much
Too many
resistance.
balls.
There's enough resistance there, you won't fall.
Is anyone behind me?
No.
Oh my gosh. Diver down.
Robin is gone. Robin is eaten by the balls.
You can sleep in these.
Here at Hopscotch.
Quicksand. Wait a minute. package.
Help Robin find your phone. Lost the bottom of the ball pit. We're setting our
Put those in my bag.
made so it looks like they're rippling to the eye. Interesting frame rate change on that one. Oh wow, it's a kaleidoscope.
Does it?
Yeah, you look like a kaleidoscope.
Look right and left and stuff.
And then with the hands.
Oh, that's cool. What is it? Oh, when you look down. I see how. Oh, that's so weird. Oh, I see you on the bottom.
Color theory or chromotherapy is an alternative remedy that uses color and light to treat physical or mental health by balancing the body's energy centers. The impact of color on guests by surrounding them with a circular room of 12-bit RGB light. As colors shift and perform in parallel to the accompanying soundscape, guests are invited to let their senses fall prey to the endless periphery of light.
The red ring.
Very pink room. Pink color therapy room.
Color.
It's very green. Balancing my energy color centers. Yeah, this room definitely doesn't translate. The colors on the video are a lot more dull than we're seeing in person. This kind of looks like a dull blue and getting more of a lavender, and now it's turning into more brilliant blue. There's hardly, but it's real pronounced on the camera. Light portal room or a kaleidoscope, you can change the color settings on the panel here and affect the kaleidoscope in real time.
You're gonna go into a new dimension,
Yeah.
you know?
Robin's
It's a
entering
screen.
the Stargate. It's the perspective room. Now Robin is very tall.
Isn't that weird? It doesn't look any weird to me. But you get in.
It's the RGB room. Roy G. Biver. All red, green, and blue.
Wow.
Desaturating the green and the blue, and only the red is showing. Puts the green and the blues in. Now it's just the greens and just the blue.
Is it this way does it that way, or?
Weird. Trapped in a pyramid.
This exhibit is fully made of recycled plastic bags.
Laser graffiti. You got these laser spray cans. You can write your whatever you want.
It's the wall from Jesse's girl. Oops, mine's still going.
It colors in afterwards.
Ooh, come on, go in this ball. Huh, that one just knocks down bricks. I thought adventures.
Light reacts to your movements. You're fine. The obligatory, it ends in the gift shop. Got some 500-piece color changing puzzle. Some cool little primary color, rainbow color sunglasses.
Have instant
Picture
cameras.
frames. Got a multicolored La Venus de Milo. Art installation gift shops are always interesting. Usually lots of art books and picture frames and things
For
like
sure.
that.
Well, that wraps up our trip to Hopscotch San Antonio. Thank you all for joining us. Please like and subscribe this video. It will certainly help support us, and it is free. Thanks for coming along and escaping with us. Escape!